In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable notifications on Zalora. So if you do not want to receive the notifications from Zalora application, you'll be able to disable the notification. For that, what you have to do is go to the device settings. In order to do that, launch open app library on your device, find the application for Zalora and long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info, tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Zalora. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option permissions that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the allowed and not allowed permissions over here. So if the permission for notification is allowed, what you have to do is tap on it. Now right now you can see over here the notification is turned on. So if you want to disable it, simply toggle the button off. After you do that, the notification has been disabled. So that is how you disable Zalora notifications. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.